Paul again here from EMD. This is the actual same car that I done yesterday. With the battery was always coming up in red on the cluster over there. So let me start the car up, and then I'll turn it off, and then we'll go through what I found. Okay, as you can see, the battery light and visit workshop fault is gone from this one here. Let's go through the actual problem with this car here, Mercedes Benz SL350. Yeah, SL350. This is the actual model. This is the W230 model. So the problem with this car was two problems. So this car's been to Mercedes Benz before, and someone done a lot of work on the car before, I can tell. The problem was two problems on the car, so let's go back to problem number one. Was the actual BNS control module, which lives behind here. It's behind there. So the MOSFET circuit was broken inside. There was nothing, so we got some parts, got that sorted out already for this control module. It's got the capacitors inside. What it does is to switch over the batteries. It does a lot of switching. It's just like basically a switch, high voltage switch. That's basically what it is, which is linked to the car computer, to the DME as well, so that which is the car computer talks to it if something go wrong with the battery system. So that one's sorted out. And number two is the one down here. So I took this apart down here to check the fuses on this battery. It's underneath the glove box, so the glove box there. So someone's been here before and all the screws not even in properly, and that was just sitting there like that. And maybe it's broken, I'm not sure. I've got to see if I can put it back on or glue it back on. But I'll show you, there's two fuses under here. The big fuse on top, the pink one there, the big one there is actually the one for the main for the battery at the back. But the smaller fuse, which is underneath, is 100 amps. That fuse there is for this battery here. The one underneath in the engine bay. That fuse controls that battery, and the bigger fuse controls the other battery, which is basically a power circuit to join them together. They're not joined down here, but they are with the computer. So those big black wires there goes all the way to the back as well. It's this one here. So that fuse is blown, 100 amp fuse is blown, causing a lot of problem with the car. So once we finish, we erase all the faults, and then there's a lot of wiring I had to check before to make sure it is the problem is down here. So you can't just assume it's that, but you still got to check your wiring. There's there's few connection points here. Make sure they're all having 12 volts down here. But yeah, so we're nearly there. So I'm gonna put everything back together now, and then we'll go from there. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.